Kindle keyboard's high-contrast e-ink display delivers clear, crisp text and images.
Kindle keyboard's screen reads like real paper, with no glare. Read as easily in bright sunlight as in your living room.
At only 8.5 ounces and 1/3 of an inch thin, Kindle keyboard is lighter than a paperback and thinner than a magazine.
A single charge lasts up to 2 months with wireless off based upon a half-hour of daily reading time.
Kindle keyboard is ready to use right out of the box. No setup, no software to install, no computer required.
Now with new dictionary lookup, notes and highlights, and support for password-protected PDFs. Easily carry all of your documents on the go.
Books you purchase from the Kindle store are automatically backed up online in your Kindle library on Amazon. Re-download books wirelessly for free, anytime.
Over 1 million books, including New York Times bestsellers, plus audiobooks, periodicals and blogs. For non-U.S. customers, content availability varies.
Your Kindle books can be read on your Kindle, iPhone, iPad, PC, Mac, Android device, and BlackBerry. Our whisper-sync technology syncs your place across devices.
With text-to-speech, Kindle keyboard can read English language content out loud to you. Click below to buy your Amazon Kindle keyboard now.